Welcome to multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities. Part 14. Question number 131. Which one of the following castes is the Weavers of Gongadi? Option A. Kurumas. Option B. Yadavas. Option C. Padmashali. Option D. Meras. Your time starts now. Answer. Kurumas. Question number 132. In which place of Telangana central government allotted funds to establish metal copper cluster? Option A. Rangapur. Option B. Bidri. Option C. Pemberti. Option D. Nirmal. Your time starts now. Answer. Pemberti. Question number 133. Which country has launched the world's longest passenger train as of November 2022? Option A. Japan. Option B. China. Option C. Switzerland. Option D. Sweden. Your time starts now. Answer. Switzerland. Let us see the explanation. Switzerland has launched the world's longest passenger train with 100 coaches, 4,550 seats, measuring 1,910 meters. Ryten Railway, a Swiss transport company, has set a world record for the longest passenger train to celebrate the 175th anniversary of Switzerland's first railway. The record-breaking train was formed of 25 new Capricorn electric trains, which passed through the landscape in the Swiss Alps. Question number 134. What is the theme of World AIDS Day 2022? Option A. Leaving no one behind. Option B. Equalize. Option C. Empathize. Option D. Inclusion of AIDS survivors. Your time starts now. Answer. Equalize. Equalize is the theme of World AIDS Day 2022. Let us see the explanation. World AIDS Day is observed annually on 1st December to create awareness among people about the human immunodeficiency virus, that is HIV, its transmission, diagnostic testing, preventive measures and treatment options. The theme of World AIDS Day 2022 is Equalize, which aims to focus on the practical solutions to reduce inequality and put an end to the life threatening disease. Question number 135. Which state launched a scheme to provide rupees 10,000 stipend per annum for females pursuing postgraduate programs? Option A. Gujarat. Option B. Assam. Option C. Tamil Nadu. Option D. Karnataka. Your time starts now. Answer. Assam. Let us see the explanation. Assam state government launched a scheme to provide stipend of rupees 10,000 per annum to female students pursuing postgraduate programs in educational institutions of the state. This stipend would be helpful in covering their communication and other related expenses of the students. Question number 136. How many chapters are there in the Olympic charter? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. Your time starts now. Answer 5. Five chapters are there in the Olympic Charter. Let us see the explanation. Their Olympic Charter serves as the Olympic law. It defines the principles and values of Olympism. It has 5 chapters and 61 articles. Question number 137. Where is the headquarters of National Fertilizers Limited located? Option A Mumbai, option B Chennai, option C Noida, option D Kolkata. Your time starts now. Answer Noida. Noida is the headquarters of National Fertilizers Limited. Let us see the explanation. The National Fertilizers Limited is a mini Ratna PSU under the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. It is headquartered at Noida. Recently, it is in news because it has surpassed its productions targets by producing 16.11 lakh metric ton of urea in the first 5 months of 2020-21. This figure is 13% higher compared to the production made by the company during the same period of previous year. Question number 138. Ozone layer protects Earth from ultraviolet rays. Which of the following harm the ozone layer? Option A burning of wood for cooking. Option B CO2 used in soda water bottle. Option C urea used as fertilizer. Option D chlorofluorocarbon used in air conditioners. Your time starts now. Answer chlorofluorocarbon used in air conditioners. Question number 139. Karakoram, the Black Mountains, a complex of mountains range is a part of. Option A Himalayas, option B Vindhya and Satpura range, option C Nilgiris, option D range between India and Pakistan. Your time starts now. Answer Himalayas. Karakoram, a complex of mountains range is a part of Himalayas. Question number 140. The first cotton textile mill was established in. Option A 1818 Fort Gloucester. Option B 1854 Bombay. Option C 1847 Rishra. Option D 1834 Howrah. Your time starts now. Answer 1818. In the year of 1818, Fort Gloucester is the first cotton textile mill. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.